north of the city. In the south, the Mappila peasants rose in incessant revolts from the latter half of the 19th century. In 1921, once again, the Mappila peasants rose in revolt under the leadership of Valiyankunnathu Kuഞ്ഞഹമ്മദ് Haji and Ali Musliya. The Khilafat agitation and non-cooperation movement formed the background to this popular revolt. The Congress leadership in Malabar vacillated, and majority from the top betrayed the rebels and cooperated with the British to isolate and crush the revolt. The left, on the other hand, have always underlined the nationalist and agrarian nature of the rebellion and also warned against potential communal degeneration. The approach adopted by the left led to the cooperation between them and the nationalist Muslims led by Muhammad Abdul Rahman Saleh. It was in this process that E.M.S. Krishna Pillai and A.K. Gopal